So I'm building my horizontal stabilizer, and today I spent a lot of time to Cleco the parts together and making sure all the holes fit. So I run into this part where there's a tip and there's a spar. Under the spar there's a stiffener and more angulars and another parts. So if you look at this hole, there's actually 5 pieces metal lining up, and I had a hard time trying to thread all 5 holes perfectly. So I just want to share a tip that I used to do this without match drilling or using a reamer. So basically, before I Cleco, I put a rivet in this hole and this hole. What I was hoping to achieve is basically, first I make sure the holes are aligned and fits the rivet. Then I put this 2 Clecos in to make the position semi-permanently fit. And then that actually lined up the holes much better than me just visually inspecting and putting the Cleco right away. So just want to share this. Might become useful to other folks, or at least it will certainly be useful to the future me. So I use this trick to align these 4 holes that has 5 layers of metal layered up, sandwiched up.